Here's Mrs. D's transformation board just in case you want to see what I would write. We'll start with the a value. It is the number that would be in front of the equation, completely in the front. If the absolute value of a is greater than 1, it is going to do a vertical stretch by a scale factor of that a value. It's going to get closer to the y-axis, and a lot of times people say in this case that it gets skinnier, especially if you're looking like at a quadratic or a cubic function. It makes it go closer to the y-axis. And if you're looking at a trig function like a sine or cosine, it makes the function taller. So it just really depends on what type of function we're talking about. If the absolute value of a is between a 0 and a 1, we say that there is a vertical compression. That's how we would write that by a scale factor of a. It gets further away from the y-axis when you're looking at a quadratic or a cubic. In other words, we usually say the function, it appears wider. And if we're talking about a trig function like a sine or a cosine, it would get shorter. And so those are some of the descriptive words that we would use. If a is less than 0, it does the same thing to every function. It's going to reflect it over the x-axis.